Meteorological summer is over. Our severe weather chances are dwindling, but it was an active summer with several notable events. Meteorologist Jacob Morse reports.
Severe thunderstorms began to impact North Dakota as early as April 23rd, when blizzard warnings were in place for the west and a tornado watch for the east. May featured only a couple of severe thunderstorms with isolated small hail and a brief tornado in Barnes County. Then the pattern began to change in mid-June. Bismarck Man Dam was hit with flooding on June 19th as a severe thunderstorm quickly dumped over 1.5 inches of rain on the region. Strong winds over 60 miles per hour also caused scattered tree damage and power outages. The next day, Dickinson was hit with a severe thunderstorm that produced a lot of small hail, enough to close some streets and strand cars. Flooding was also an issue for parts of the Queen City on June 20th. June wrapped up with a couple of isolated large hailstorms and a brief tornado spotted near Manfred. July proved to be the most active month for severe weather, beginning on the 2nd and 3rd in southwest North Dakota, with multiple rounds of severe storms that produced wind gusts over 75 miles per hour and brought flooding to parts of Dickinson. On the night of July 9th, a powerful supercell delivered estimated 120 mile per hour gusts to the Fairfield area, snapping around 100 power poles and damaging many structures. Beach also saw 85 mile per hour gusts, resulting in tree and structural damage. High-end damaging winds returned to the area on July 18th with estimated 95 mile per hour gusts in Wild Rose and 75 mile per hour gusts in Belcourt. Large hail was also observed on this day with up to 3-inch diameter hail in Williston. Bismarck saw a significant hailstorm on the afternoon of July 21st as 2 supercells moved over the city, producing golf ball to tennis ball sized hail. The next day, a photogenic storm developed in north-central North Dakota and tracked just to the north of Minot, but a 75 mile per hour gust was reported at the Air Force Base. Storms quieted down a bit until mid-August when 3 tornadoes impacted northeast McLean County up to EF2 strength. Some incredible photos of multiple tornadoes on the ground were taken as they were displaced from most of the rain, leading to clear shots of the funnels. A few more isolated severe storms impacted the area to wrap up August, highlighted by some hail and flooding in the Bismarck region on August 23rd, but things have been quiet since then as we start the transition to fall.
The overall number of severe thunderstorm warnings was below average for the summer, despite some memorable storms this year.